Remember last time I was here, I saw something chasing bait fish right in here. Same, almost the exact same spot. There's one. Not a big one. My God, dude, that is one of the fattest fish I've ever caught. There's just something so satisfying when you see a fish chasing bait fish like that, and you make a cast or two and boom, there he is. Guarantee you this was him. He fought like a 3-pounder too. It's one of the things I like about the bass in this pond. They fight at least twice their weight. This is something where this side of the pond during the summer, when all this is green and growing, be almost impossible, definitely not worth it to walk through all this. And also, it's like in the summertime, you wouldn't want to be wearing pants because it's hot. The only way you would get through this would be to wear pants. So you'd have to come out here in 100-degree weather wearing pants just to get over here. Fish, little guy. Oh, I'm wrapped in this tree. That's not good. That's bad. Come on. How the hell? There we go. Little dink. That's the smallest bass I've caught out of here by far. No point in showing him on the tripod. Amazing though how healthy he is. He's once again a very fat little guy. Impressive, very pretty guy too. There he goes. Is that a fish? Yep. Good fish, hard fighter. Took him a while. Oh my God, real hard fighting fish. That's why I like these fish. He's not even that big. He's the biggest one yet though. That might be our first two. That's the first one we've had today that wasn't a nightmare to unhook. A tripod's way over there, unfortunately. I don't know if you guys saw that. This guy, I'm gonna weigh him, but he fought like a 4-pounder. I bet he's 1.8 pounds. He is so fat. This is so ridiculous how fat these fish are. This is a very young fish too. He's got a very small mouth still. Wow, 1.38. So he's almost half a pound smaller than I thought he was. When they're this fat and they fight that hard, it just makes it so hard to tell. Even though I know clearly he's not that long. This is a hard release right here. This is just a few inches of water. Why do they always go the wrong way? There you go. Figure it out. Oh! We missed one. See the swirl? Damn, that was a good fish too. And we had him hooked for a split second, just barely. See how aggressive he is, if he'll hit again. I doubt it. I did nothing wrong, man. He missed the majority of the lure. I set the hook like I always do. There he is. Redeemed myself. He's aggressive, isn't he? What are going to be the odds that that's a different fish 2 casts later? That fish fights so hard, I still barely hooked him. Yep, that's the biggest fish of the day. That's him. That's our first 2-pounder. Another young fish with a small mouth. Let's get a weight on him. I'm saying 2 pounds even. Well, 1.7. Again, just such a fat fish, you know, they look bigger than they really are. And they fight way harder than they really are. Or than they should. Let's let him go. He is a freezing cold fish. And thank you for letting me redeem myself. Off he goes. 4 fish today. Say 4.5, because we can't really guarantee that that was, you know, the same exact fish. There's a chance it wasn't. All right, there you go, guys. 4 fish. Pretty good day of fishing. Thanks for watching.